We've been expecting you.
How original.
Quite. Today,
Or yesterday.
or the day before,
That's the question.
we're going to be getting into this box.
Another box. Or is it two?
It's two!
Oh, drat!
Wow!
I mean, snap! Crackle and pop.
Duelist Saga with premium gold on the back.
I can imagine you blindly reaching for the knife and you stab yourself.
I probably would.
If I weren't avoiding your hand.
I saw this in the Walmart the other day.
And I just stole it.
I just stole it. I just ran out of the Walmart and nobody could catch me.
Disclaimer. We do not condone that.
Correct. But I saw this, and I was like, this might be a cool video. But then I flipped it over to the back and I'm like, premium gold!
That sounded like a genuine surprise. Just
It was a genuine surprise. Like, I didn't know. I didn't know it had premium gold on the back. And I know premium gold, everything is gold.
Genuine difficulties?
I might.
At least it's not technical difficulties.
Gimme! My toys!
It's a card!
My cards!
Do you consider cards toys?
No.
It's a format
And
of
it's
toys.
It's an entertainment format. I wouldn't say it's a toy.
You don't mind if I throw these boxes away, huh?
No.
These outer shells.
What the heck? Heck.
What the?
One of the card packs rolled over to the other one, and I was like, where the heck did it go?
I just punched my drawer.
Huh. Alright.
What a waste of plastic.
Duelist Saga packs.
Oh, that's how that works.
Let's get right into it.
Let's get right into the video.
First up, we've got Deep Sea Diva.
Sexy.
Whoa! Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon. Wow. Diamond
Wowzers.
Dust. All these are like super reflective. Oh heck, this is a good Fallen Paradise. This is a good one. Cosmic Blazar Dragon.
What is this card? Oh, it's okay. I get it.
Cosmic White Dragon of Death. Synchro, big old long.
Well, if that's true, take me out of my misery.
But I saw a video about this one. And this one's like really good protection for the sacred beasts, I want to say. I can't remember. I know it's like
It's an apple.
it's like the Uriah. It's protection for Uriah and all those different
What is
sacred
the
beast
eyeballs?
cards.
There are eyeballs in that tree. Wow.
Wow,
Wow.
that
Sounds
is
like Gold. Wow.
wow,
Wow.
wow. All right, next one we got. Whoa, what the heck? We got
Whoa.
Formula Synchron. Ooh, a Cyber Dragon.
Holy crap.
Sea Lord's Amulet, Chaos Scepter Blast, Vision Hero Vion or whatever you want to call it. Viagra. Scatadoo, Floridoo.
Okay.
On to lay next pack.
The stupid box gives them almost a curved look.
No, I found out like someone said that it's just the foil they use makes it warped.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I know, it's kind of dumb. Because, like, you want to keep them nice. Oh, heck. Not again.
Did you drop your phone?
No, I didn't drop it, I just hit it.
Oh,
Ooh.
Vision Hero. I didn't even know you...
Solemn Warning.
What?
Vision... Wait, heck.
Oh, this is a cool one. This is from GX.
Yeah.
I didn't listen to most of the names you called out that pack. I honestly don't remember what I was doing.
You're probably just off in space somewhere. Fossil Dyna... Pachycephalo. Lightwing Shield. Dark Summoning Beast is another for the sacred beasts, like some kind of
What's that beast?
synchro call. They're like GX Walmart brand Egyptian god cards.
From GX? You talking about the... I forget what they're called, actually. I forgot there. It's 3 of them again, and they're still red, blue, and yellow.
I remember the first time I saw them, I'm like, this is just Walmart brand freaking Egyptian god cards. And then I realized that they are really good. Like, on their own.
Yeah, I remember them. I like GX. That's like the last Yu-Gi-Oh show I actually liked. After that, I grew up. Got real bad.
I grew up. And I grew down. Let's get into this one.
No,
I need
otherwise
the
I'd be
knife
taller than
again. He's kind of short.
Hey! I'm above average. Thank you.
Which is?
Shut up.
Oh. Alright.
I'm taller than 5'10". I'm like close to 5'11", but I'm not.
Okay.
It's a very sad story. We don't talk about it.
We'll
Shut
let
up.
you keep on believing
No.
that.
No, sir.
Heck, Thanks. This one was the one I was really ready to
Because that's how you
crack
use a
open.
knife.
Correct. This is how you use a knife.
This is when everyone on the internet watches you cut your... Don't laugh.
Watch me bleed on camera. And then
This is for you.
call
I can
the
say I bled for you.
ambulance. I will bleed for you. I'd catch a grenade for you. He didn't say anything to that.
No, sir.
Alright. On outward we go. Heck. What? Oh, heck. I forgot. That's not how this goes.
Oh, that's snazzy.
I know. It's really nice.
I mean, it's cardboard, but it's snazzy.
It's really... They really like to present.
I appreciate it.
I also appreciate that. Alright, we got 3 packs. I think there's 5 in each. And they're all gold rares. All of them. Not a single one is not.
Until you're the one who gets no gold.
Yeah, until I be the one...
It's a factory mishap, and you get nothing.
Yeah.
I hope that happens.
Ouch.
Like, nothing against you. That would make for a great video.
That would make for a great video. But it would also hurt my feelings.
The fact that I'm wishing it upon you, or just that it happened?
That it happened.
Good, because I would hope you'd get views for such a mishap.
Yeah. Gaga Cowboy. Lady
Yep.
Gaga's little brother.
That was
Black Horn of Heaven.
good one.
Ooh, Dark Mirror Force. Frost Blast of the Monarchs.
So the word you were looking for was frost?
Yes.
Literally,
I said
heard
floss.
fossil and floss, and neither of them were close.
You are correct there. That was... I think that was a good pack. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't research these.
Wait, is this new?
No,
is this like
this
a new
is-
pack or?
It's kind of old.
Okay.
I think it's like maybe a couple years old. Okay.
They look cool.
Number 11, Big Eye.
Ish.
Ooh. Cosmo Farm Girl.
Oh, his name really is Gaga.
Told you. Shared Ride.
What a tool.
Junkaribo.
Wait, is it a Karibo or is it?
Yeah, it's a Karibo. It's a Junkaribo.
I don't know what that is.
And Bar Malabranch of the Burning Abyss.
Bobo.
Bo. That's how you say. Holy. Okay, I guess
Comedy.
I guess you didn't like that joke. Last pack, ladies and gentlemen.
Stole my joke.
Okay.
Hey, this guy looks cool. Looks like a Viking. Oh, that
Ooh.
doesn't look like Karibo at all.
Arcanite Magician. Cosmo Forerunner.
I got a crush on this farmer.
Radiant Mirror Force. Getting all the Mirror Forces today. Number 35, Ravenous Tarantula. And for the last one, Maxi.
Maximilian Pegasus. I remembered his name.
He couldn't remember his name just a minute ago. I had to tell him.
You only had to tell him Pegasus.
Yeah, I only had to tell him Pegasus.
No one said Maximilian. I remembered.
During either player's turn, you can send this card from your hand to the graveyard. This turn, each time your opponent special summons a monster, immediately draw one card. You can only use one Maxi per turn. That's big gay, but whatever. Well, don't look at me like that. That will do it for this episode. If you enjoyed it,
We want you to know that our broadcasting schedule has changed. You're canceled. I'm just kidding. Look at this.
if you like what you saw,
Which you didn't.
smack the like, punch the subscribe, and ring the bell to let you know when the next one will be. You also don't have to come back if you don't want to. Goodbye.